Cloud seeding is a weather modification technique used to increase rainfall or snowfall by artificially stimulating clouds. What is cloud seeding? Cloud seeding involves introducing special substances into clouds so that water droplets or ice crystals form faster and grow larger, leading to precipitation, rain or snow. Common substances used: silver iodide, most common. Salt, sodium chloride. Dry ice, solid CO. These are released using aircraft, airplane, drones, ground-based generators. How cloud seeding works: simple. Clouds must already be present sun behind large cloud. Seeding particles are released into the cloud. Particles act as nuclei for water, ice formation. Droplets grow heavier. Rain or snow falls cloud with rain snowflake. Uses of cloud seeding: increase rainfall during droughts. Boost water supply for agriculture and drinking. Increase snowfall in mountains, for rivers and hydropower. Reduce fog at airports. Hail suppression to protect crops. Control forest fire conditions, indirectly. Impacts of cloud seeding. Positive impacts: checkmark. Helps reduce drought effects. Improves agricultural productivity. Supports reservoirs and groundwater recharge. Aids hydropower generation. Can reduce economic losses from drought. Negative environmental impacts warning. Uneven rainfall distribution. Possible over rainfall or flooding in some areas. Long-term effects of silver iodide accumulation, still debated. May affect natural weather patterns. Challenges of cloud seeding. Needs suitable clouds, cannot create clouds from nothing. Uncertain results. Rainfall increase is not guaranteed. High cost, aircraft, chemicals, monitoring. Scientific controversy over effectiveness. Legal and ethical issues, rainfall ownership disputes. Environmental concerns. Requires advanced meteorological expertise. Is cloud seeding successful? Works best when conditions are already favorable. Studies show 5 to 15% increase in rainfall in some regions. Not a permanent solution, only a supportive technology. Cloud seeding in India. Used in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana. Often during monsoon failures. Known as artificial rain. Let's see. Recent cloud seeding in Delhi. Context. In OCT November 2025, the Delhi government, with IIT Kanpur, conducted India's first major urban cloud seeding trial to induce artificial rain for reducing severe winter air pollution. Its main objective is to trigger rainfall that could wash out pollutants, PM 2.5 and PM 10, and provide temporary relief from smog. They used a method by aircraft-based cloud seeding using silver iodide and salt flares. 3 sorties, flights, were conducted over parts of Delhi NCR. Outcome: no significant rainfall in Delhi. Only very light drizzle, approximately equals 0.1-0.2 mm in parts of Noida, Greater Noida. Limited and inconclusive impact on air quality. Reasons for limited success: low cloud moisture, 15 to 20%, whereas approximately 50% is required. Unfavorable winter meteorological conditions. Cloud seeding cannot create clouds, only enhance existing ones. Cost and criticism. Approx. 1.9 crore rupees spent. Experts argue it is not a reliable or long-term solution for air pollution. Significance. Highlights technological limits of weather modification. Reinforces need for structural pollution control measures, emission reduction, crop residue management. Conclusion: means ready line. Delhi's cloud seeding trial shows that while artificial rain may offer limited, situational benefits, it is scientifically uncertain and unsuitable as a sustainable solution to urban air pollution, especially under unfavorable climatic conditions.